Hey guys, my name is Drake, and today we're going to be making, basically we're basically gonna make an animation, because, you can, play it like that. See? That's flashing. That's probably bad. Probably not. Probably not like that. Alright, so we'll figure it out. Alright, there we go. So, like that, but we'll probably be maybe 3 to making an animation. So yeah. So we're gonna stop it and start drawing. Let's see here. Ooh, I could do my name really cool. I just realized I wasn't talking for that bit. Sorry. I don't have room to put the E. Maybe I could make it bigger. That does not look like an E at all. So, oh god, that's bad. So originally I was trying to make a Space Invaders type deal, but so I was trying to do a Space Invaders type deal, and I was gonna make a rocket ship in a huge battle, but that would take a long time, and I don't really have a long time because I gotta go to bed. So I think I'm gonna draw these guys in the spaceship, and then they're crash into the plane or something. I don't know. Oh, I'm so weird with my arms. Okay, so and control panel. That's what's going on. There's a control panel here. There's buttons. I don't know if I'll put in color. And then he presses the wrong button, and then it's self-destruct. Why? Why'd you blow it up? So self-destruct. He's I'm gonna press this button. And then he finally presses it. And he's alright, what do I do now? It's he finally presses it, and it's the self-destruct. You've done wrong. And there's this big light, and it's going off, and it's self-destruct, self-destruct. He's what's going on? I can't see. 'Cause my eyes. Here, I need to open them. There. What? What? Oh, flashing lights. I better. Yeah, I want that. I want that flashing light. So he touches it, and then That's also a self-destruct button. And it's like self-destruct. No, it's like mega self-destruct. So mega self-destruct. And he's like, what does that mean? Like, he's like, self-destruct, and then the spaceship just finally blows up in a million pieces. That was really bad. Yeah. Okay. Let's watch it. Yeah. Alright. Alright. End the video.